So hi guys and welcome back to another video of this video series on the Multidisciplinary Space Program 2023. For those who have not yet heard about this program, this is basically a program AstroCapsule has come up with, in which we'll be having multiple topics taken by multiple mentors. The program will be starting on 14th of January. It's a 15-day program, or I would say interactive program, which is most probably the first of its kind, wherein this much of mentors are coming together to teach you different topics both theoretically as well as through various practicals. In today's video or in today's interview, we have another mentor of us, that is Mr. Yash Thummar. Talking about Yash, he's an aerospace engineer. He's proficient in CAD designs with Autodesk Fusion 360 and FDM 3D printing with Creality Ender 3 Pro. Also, he has an amazing experience in static dynamic stress analysis and external computational fluid dynamics analysis. His research areas include UAM, that is Unmanned Aerial Mobility, and AAM, which is Advanced Air Mobility. He is also a Autodesk Fusion 360 certified user. In addition, he runs an Autodesk CAD and simulation community. Plus, more than this, he is one of our co-founders, that is, he is co-founder of AstroCapsule. Yash, first of all, welcome to the show, and do let us know that how did you personally get into this field of space or aerospace?
Yeah, like this is my personal interest in this field, and like there is a you can find there is a lot of thing about you heard maybe in your childhood also, spacecraft, the stars, the planetary missions, like maybe in the news or maybe in a uh, from another uh, uh, from another words kind of thing. So yeah, from there it's built in my like I have to want the career something in this kind of fields, maybe in engineering aspects or in kind of BSc and research aspects. So yeah, that's I.
That's great. Next, I would like to ask you: is you are working proactively to just contribute to this section or popularize this part of or this subject. So, can you just tell me some of the initiatives that you have taken or some of the things you are doing?
Yeah, so basically in this engineering aspects, it's literally you will find the all the things. It's basic code. You will find the engineering, the practical approaches, and the maybe some theory you will make some application from the theories and we'll make it in a working thing, some practical approaches and the things. So it all contains in engineering aspects, and especially for for the space application there is a lots of engineering aspects, and here we covered mostly about the 3D printing. It's about manufacturing the parts, because it's if you find the something here in earth, it's completely different aspects, constraints and limitations for the manufacturing, and in the space it's completely different. So many of the things are there we have to cover here.
Okay, that's good. Uh, so for the people or the youngsters out there, can you just tell how can they make out their career in this field, or how can they just get into this field according to their interest?
Yeah, so basically you can build your career from your interest and the knowledge whatever you have. And yeah, for the specific engineering aspects in this, and specifically the 3D technology and manufacturing technology, there is a need of your understanding of the designs, the aspects you can uh, manufacture it, maybe in earth or maybe in space, or maybe it can be in a microgravity environment or anything. You have to understand the basic constant and limitations on that. And then yeah, there is a lot of opportunities in India, in worldwide. You can get many companies are there for that. Like some example, there is a need of the engineering satellites. There is a design and the manufacturing of satellites body. There is a for the spacecraft craft inner and outer body, the what called the engines, and many things are there for that. They can build a career for that.
Those were all a lot of questions. Next, we'll be
Yeah.
moving through the MSP. Though I have told a small introduction about the program, what will you like to tell about the program?
Yeah, so as I already give the topic, the there is a in a like it's a simple thing. If you consider the engineering aspects in any of the program, suppose it's about the multidisciplinary space program, so there is also many engineering aspects we can cover. It's from the electronics aspect, the mechanical, the aerospace core aspects, and other chemical aspects and biological aspects. But and there is a for the all things we have need an instrument to practically to test their instrument, the machines. Yeah, but here we covered mostly about this manufacturing, and especially it's about this uh, advanced manufacturing with the 3D printer. So how can we use 3D printer in Earth for the space applications like 3D fully 3D printed nozzle, the engines are there, and then we how can we use the same 3D printing technology for the zero gravity in ISS, some kind of small missions and testing there, and other for the microgravity application. So we all things we will cover in this multidisciplinary program.
That's great. Next question for you would be, as this program is going to be on an online platform or it's going to be
Yeah.
virtual, how do you think
Yes.
or how do you will be taking it practically?
Yeah. So basically, it's about mostly you will find the knowledge first of all, and it's not about the knowledge, it's about the motivation. Like you will find the knowledge it in online. You can find the 3D printing in space. You will find a lot of plenty of missions and the information there. But it's about also the practical approach, and not about only theoretical. You will also do some also provide some hands-on activity there, because like for now there is a lots of commercial software and the open source software. So there is a lots of activities for they can done. There is also some the what called the research report there, so they can also understand, they can search suffering from their side and understand this whole application from their side. So yeah, it's not only about theoretical, there is also some practices and the hands-on activity.
That's great. Uh, my next question for you would be, why would you urge the students to get into this program, or what would this program contribute in their learning?
Yeah, so basically the topic is engineering aspects. So many people want to learn something not just in notebook and with the pen. They also not just then need theoretical knowledge. They also want some practical and functioning thing for on their hands. Yeah, so that's why they're also looking for some uh, practicals in there is also in the schooling time. And this is not also about, so yeah, so they can who are the space enthusiasts like to do some practical work and the understanding of the in also especially for the manufacturing aspect. So yeah, they can yeah, definitely join this course, and they will also, it's also live course. They can also make some discussion topic there, and we can discuss there openly uh, whatever the thing is there.
That's amazing. So, what do you think? Who should be the audience, or according to you, who should register to this program?
Yeah, it's, I don't think it's some kind of limitations on category, like it's there, because it's about the multidisciplinary program. There is a lots of different topics are also covered there. But if I'm talking about these engineering aspects on the session which I'm taking, so there is also they can learn many like high secondary students and the secondary students. Also there is UG students are also there. They can understand with, it's not about only the engineering aspects for the engineering students only. It's about students and BSc students, and whomever want to like learn about what are the things are going on in 3D printing, the especially for manufacturing the in the space applications, and how can it's, what is the technical technicalities there, what is the current scenario is there, and what is the software and the what they can do from their side from the as a beginner. All things are being covered, so there is no limitations about this session. Yeah, anyone who want to interested in here, they can enroll it.
Right, that's going to clear a lot of things again. Last but
Yeah.
not the least, what message would you like to give out to the audience listening out there?
It's about the message. So yeah, uh, yeah. So as a like engineer, I can say like there is a we all are like there is a many researchers are research is going on, and some of are the only on the pen and paper. But now when you come into the engineering like what called the mindset, you will understand, yeah, how can I use it as an application, I make as an application, make some designs, research on it, and now you can going on. So yeah, for that concern, you need some practical mindset for this, understanding these engineering aspects and the application of that. And same for this course on this program.
Thank you, Yash. Thank you a lot for being with us, and thank you for all the answers. Also, to the people listening out there, the link for the program is mentioned down in the description box with
Yeah.
all the details. Do go through the link once, and if you really find it interesting, or you are just entering into the world of space, this program is something it's really gonna help you a lot. So just go through it once, and see you in the program again. Thank you, Yash. Thank you again for being with us.
Yeah, thank you so much.